Hi, my name is Joyce. I'm with the USI Technical Department. Today we're going to talk about our BigMouth pouch laminator. The BigMouth pouch laminator has a wide opening, so it's more or less a dual type pouch machine. It does your regular pouches up to 10 mil thick ID size and 7 mil thick, say, letter and menu size. It also has a wide opening for doing your pouch boards. Your pouch boards come in different sizes. They have an adhesive on the board with an over laminate attached to it. Your regular pouches are just a pouch film where you have film top and film bottom. So if you purchase a 5 mil pouch, you'd have 5 on top, 5 on bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a business size card pouch, and like I said, we have credit card size, luggage tag, up to menu size. Whenever you get a box of pouches, you get in with it what they call a cardboard carrier. The carrier has a slick inside, and you place your pouch inside the carrier. And I like to feed it in this way because you got 2 rollers in the front, 2 in the back. So you want to make sure it makes it through the front of the machine, out the back. Your BigMouth has it's like a cooling tray that you just slide behind where your pouch exits. The cooling tray is nice for when you're doing large pouches, so when they land here, they lay flat. Same thing with the boards. As soon as the pouch or the pouch board exits, it lands on the cooling plate and cools it down. So you let it cool for not even that long. When you open up your carrier, you'll have your laminated business card. Like I said, your pouches come in all different sizes. There's some with holes for doing luggage tags, things like that. Now normally, and I've already heated this, but normally when the machine is off, the light will be off, and when you turn it on, the light is off. But when you select lamb or foam, once the light comes on, it's letting you know that it's ready to go. So now we're going to take a small pouch board, which has a laminate, and like I said, adhesive on the board. Some boards come with just adhesive, no laminate. So if you don't want to laminate and you just want to mount, you can just get the board with the adhesive. So we're going to take a small print. We try to center the print. Again, you always use a carrier. That's important. Otherwise, you're going to stick glue to your rollers, or in the case with a pouch, you're going to run your pouch around your rollers. So you always want to feed it in. I like to kind of hold the carrier and the board until it hits my second set of rollers. Then I know everything's going to come out the way it should. I felt it hit the rollers. And again, we have pouch boards that are this size. We also have them up to 25 by 37 for different larger laminators. I ran a pouch board earlier, and I wanted to show that the heat was not hot enough. Once that happens, underneath the machine, there's a temperature knob. We can actually show you the knob once this exits. There's a temperature knob on the bottom. So whether you're running a pouch board or pouch film, if it's cloudy or it doesn't stick, you want to turn your temperature up and run the same product through again until you get to the correct temperature that it makes this nice and laminated. So let's take a look at our piece right here. We have our piece that's mounted to the board. So we didn't have to work with the temperature at all, but like I said, if we had no, not enough heat, we could just turn the heat up, run the same thing through. Same thing with the pouches. And that's how easy it is to run your Big Mouth machine.